The melee weapon. Yeah. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Oh, nice. Great. Oh my god. I thought you were moving. Oh, okay. Okay. He's just warming up. He's gonna get you like confused. Okay. Okay. I mean, he's just a good aimer. I hit him once. I dunked him. Hey. Medic is still there. You should bomb the medic and murder. Alright. I got his gun. Nice. I had way more percentage than mine. Nice shot. Euphrates River. Euphrates River. Did you feel that? You know what's like a joke in my server now? Just saying, did you feel that? Randomly. You saying it and then Naki started saying it. Well, yeah. I'm using early, I don't care. He is low. I'm not on saw, remember my ham. Ham. Like meat. Look, behind you, look. Where are you? Okay. What? Ham up, is that thing? Yeah, that's fine. I know. I'm aware. You feel that? That's goo. Yeah. You were really close to him, actually. Hope you can tell those. It's okay. I didn't expect anything more. Alright, I'm fucking retarded. I'm sorry. I played in a really bad spot. I don't know what I'm doing. I hit him once. No. I don't know. I have Uber. Either way, for the do, we should be fighting this. I already see you, which is the funny part. They already lie, already. Alright, I got him. I did. You kill the one of them, it doesn't matter really which one. Yeah, nice. And then you kill the soldier, he's 164. Just play point, just play point. Just play your life. You don't have to do anything crazy. I'm walking up right now. Okay, medic is trying to arrow you. Nice. That's actually a pretty good time to stagger him. Stagger him longer. Outside. I hit the medic, it sounds like. I see you, I can see you. Yeah, I'll say you. I guess. You're like big and greedy right there. I have 30%, I don't care about dying for point. I wish I could have served to point, I'm just being stupid right now. You feel that? You think they feel that? Okay. Thanks. Got it from the fake call store. Yeah, we can buy that until. my god. Jesus Christ. They have, I mean, we can do whatever you want. You can pack. Force fit up, pick the medic. So. You can the best ever do it. Okay, then I'm testing it, that's crazy. Yep, nice, stay force. What the hell? You can come if they want, I don't care. Okay, but we got point, so who's really winning? Kill a medic if you can. I'll probably say kill a medic. Yeah. They're not playing to contest us at all. Alright, the medic. Okay, he's gonna use. Oh my god, okay, man. I got an air shot. Well, it's strafing. Like the ones you can. Yeah. That's the problem that you're not targeting at all, so he's not getting pressured. I think something soldier here. I rolled enough apparently. I'm not gonna kill him that way. Oh, he has the fucking thingy in the popper. They have, I know. I'm gonna cut it out. Go down because they're on the point. I think they're socking on me. Are you? They're dead. They're alive. They're walking. Okay, I'm just also retarded too. It's whatever. Nice, okay. You can die if you need to, but you should be killing the medic here. I'm gonna die for it though. Okay. They have 60 seconds on us? What the fuck? No, I don't have saw, remember? Also, I died. No, they did not get saw, no. Yeah, he's like focusing the shit out of me, to be honest. I'm trying to like be on second to something cap. I'm taking a lot of damage for it. I'm good, I'll live. Unless he bombs me right here. Get the lid here, just put the lid. He's on me. Get the medic. Oh shit. It's at least even times. I did not hit him, really? Get the medic. No, never mind, that works too. That just works just as well. Not killing that. Oh. Oh, look, he's gonna be delayed. Okay. You get the stall as long as you want to. Hey, medic. Nice. Good call out. Air shot. And that doesn't matter. We have the point. We have 62% of your versus there, and then you should play back. You don't have to kill them right now. You just have to play on point. Oh my god, 90%. I'm fucking stupid. Should. He did not get a saw on you, thankfully. It's one fight we have to win, and then that's it. War is over. What did? Oh no. Nice air shot. That was really early from them, actually. Kind of bad for them. You are in a corner, though. That's really bad. That's crazy. I don't know if we're gonna time for this spawn. Yeah, not really. Come back up. You ran it out. That was perfect. You fucking feel that. That's terrible. I think it's bad round. Is it just this, by the way, or is it more? It's not me this part. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little better than you. She's not a woman. The medic is just standing there, by the way. Oh. Okay, he's 59. He's 59. He's 59. Is he me at 63 right now? No, 60. He's like 70. 70. Are you living? Are you living? Oh my god. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Do not talk. Let's go. They're on me just as much. Yeah, you're on them. If you could live, that would be ideal, but I don't think you're going to. I think you should probably just die. You should die, you should die, you should die. No, I'm spelled out. I don't like that they're winning these few fights. Yeah, no, I'm with you. He's gonna go for me, the medic. I'm a soldier, some low HP. I'm rotating with them. I'm looping them currently as we speak. No, with you. Being near the wall. Careful, being near the wall. At this point, just play point. Just play your life in point. Just play your life in point. Die on point if you have to. That's fine, that's fine. That's actually not bad. He's on me. He's back in return. Yeah. You should have gone there. That's crazy. Behind you, by the way, there's a soldier who just killed me for free. There's a trade for the medic. Did you kill the medic too or no? Okay, that's what matters. I'm alive and on the left side. I need help. Oh my god. Shoot them. You should. Okay. You should live. I'm gonna. It's fun. Here, if you can resup, you can resup. You're not. Okay. You're not great heals. They're gonna have Adamus, by the way. They have like 40% right now. Maybe 50. I'm gonna say 50. They have 60% right now. There's gives the point. And they have... Oh, yeah, did you have? Oh, you didn't. Yeah, just play back whenever we have point. If we won that first round, we have something more like round loss, like more deaths. That's crazy. Okay. Let's go for a pick and then die. It's just die. Here I go. I'm just going out here. Oh shit, okay, okay, okay. I killed him. Yep, we have our spawn timers in them because they have point. I hit him twice, I hit him twice. I have to make 3 times. You could definitely bomb him right now. Oh shit, okay. Don't have to. This guy. Fuck his. Oh, give me some limit for cornering him like that. There's ammo, there's ammo right behind you. Careful. I'm preserving it for you, I'll let you know when the beast spawns. I had the 50 in the soldier rather. It doesn't matter actually. But if you need ammo, it's below you. Behind you. I hit him with the arrow for 52. He's on me, he's on me. I don't even have yet. Oh, he's 1 HP. I should be just surfing is the problem. It's not your fault. Where are you at? Okay, same point, same point, same point. That's fine. I just meant like you can be like on the ground at some point too. You're going the other direction. Like I was like on you, like I was beating you the whole time. That you were like saying you were disconnected. Yeah. I mean, kind of. I don't know in this context how it would go. It's fine. We got it. I'm behind you. Other way, other way. Move the other direction. Oh, it's up 10, it's up 10. I'm playing on point. Go for medic, go for medic, medic. Got him. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay, he's on me. You can kill him. You can kill him. He's 130. You have spawn timer advantage. Nice job. Okay, stand point, just like that. Okay. Okay. Playing for 59 already. I'm on the right. I'm living now if I can. Come on, he's on me, he's on me. Yeah, okay, medic. Nice. And then soldiers, only like 155. Where is he? If he's on me. Okay. Well, he dies for that, so I can just work it for us. Kill medic. That guy. I was gonna say, I'm not supposed to kill him. I'm not supposed to do that. What's going on here? Yeah, shoot. Okay, just shoot. Yeah, shoot for like, feel more confident in. I hit medic for 60. Nice shot. Not necessarily true. I'm in a bad position entirely. Worst position of all time. That's crazy. That was scary. That was actually scary. I see him. I'm fake calling before we actually have, so the things that we have at like 10 seconds sooner. Not 10 seconds, but like 2 seconds. Not even. Nice. I want to use a 15 seconds. Let's try to delay for 15 seconds. Yeah, I can use now whenever you want to. You want to run into them? You don't want to? Okay. Nice. Good shooting. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Is that it or is there more? That's it. Damn, we fucking hate them alive. I lost this Trini, by the way, and I don't know. Everyone said it was so good. Yeah, and then when they win this, they're gonna take it from us. Yeah, right. This is our win. Okay, let's get it up. Let's get this out of the way. I have to go to bed soon. Oh, okay. Max behind you, Max behind you, Max behind you, Max behind you. The Max is right there. He's low. I hit him for a bow. I hit him for a bow. Where is he? Oh god. I'm dying here, but I want you to. Okay, he didn't get a stall on me. You should just live. You should just live. You should just live. Okay. Walk out. Walk out. We don't want him to have this for 21. Yeah, cause I'm going really close up. That's fine. Just get him point. Just get him point. It's fine. Yep. Yes, surf him off. It's fine. I mean, it's fine. He just doesn't river. He just gets out anyways. Doesn't matter. Just stalled a little longer. You're gonna bomb for me? You ready for it? Hold it. Go forward, go forward. We have Uber, we have Uber. Something is here. Nice. I can't get his gun. Not kill. No, I didn't have anything. I didn't have anything on it. It's hard. It like goes down really quick, and he didn't have it. I have a nice arrow for that one. That was crazy. That was a hard arrow to hit. Yeah, he just walked behind. Oh, nice. He's dead. Nice, and he also died. Don't even joke, lad. Don't even joke, lad. Get back a little bit. You should go in as soon as it's 50%. Okay, nice. You're also looking behind you for some reason. You're the reason I'm behind you. I know. You didn't have to. You could just stand still, and then I will. What? He's trying to arrow me. Nice, he's giving us the point again. This is why we're winning, because we're playing the objective better. One point. I just hit there. Nice, that was a good eat. The rocket. That's gonna hit me otherwise. You ate that for me. You ate queen. I'm just gonna play back. You don't go too far with me because then that still happens. Let me just no, but like you isolate yourself from me when you go that far away. Dramatic. Nice. It's hard to tell because you're also on gold. Nice. You are okay. Okay, how low is you? 89. Okay. Get on that guy. Oh my god. Back to us. It's okay, we stalled. It's a stall. You should. Okay. You're on the point. I recommend you like contest. Oh no. I went next to their spawn and just like existed there for a little while. I think one. Okay, one. Okay, we have 3 minutes on them. All we have to do is wait and then kill. No, we kill them. We don't build. What the fuck? That's so gay. They make a rule against it. No, I have a button that does that. I was gonna ask him if you spawn, but it's close enough. I think it doesn't matter. Scan the map. You're doing what? What the heck? Oh, really? I don't think you can do that. Yeah, and the reason you actually can't do that is because you're FTM. What do you mean media pause?
Comms. I have myself muted.
That's good. No, your comms? Oh no.
No, but we can hear you loud and clear. So they didn't get to hear all my. You found that? Unpause. I'm back. Sorry, I should have asked R. That doesn't matter. It's over. Wait, no, it's not.
It's like 2 seconds, bro.
2 secs.
Okay, soldiers are there. You should bomb him. He literally doesn't have the medic on him. They're definitely giving up, bro.
Wait, where'd the medic go?
Underneath here.
I don't see him. Where'd he go?
This is so retarded. Just kill the medic. He's like 100. He's like not even 100. He's not even 100.
I'm hitting this air shot. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, good one. Ground.
D-bomb.
I don't want them to give up. I thought they would spawn. They were like actually rolling me for a bit. I literally don't know where he got that extra 20 kills last one. Like literally, no idea.
Maybe pre-game.
No way. It doesn't. It only counts damage. It doesn't count like.
Oh no, yeah. But we won it. Not to matter.
Wait, can I go? Can I quit Mantrix?
No.
Oh, you missed me with that arrow, by the way.
That wasn't for you.
Yes, it was actually. Everything was
Good for them. You were literally above HP. You were literally above over here.
We should have named our team FTM, bro. Fuck.
Oh my god. Are you naming the FTM?
My medic is baiting me.
Watch out. They might get an Uber saw on you.
I did so much damage. Then he got one Uber saw. He has like 60% here. Okay, good. That guy's also low as shit because he was just getting the Uber for
Oh, fuck, you knew. God damn it. He's 90 health.
I can't even hit him in the first place. Doesn't matter.
Watch
Okay,
out.
he's 30. He's 60 HP. Nope, he's 92 HP. Okay, we're actually just chuds. What the fuck is wrong with us?
No, that's how it's warm up. Bro, we haven't capped
Alright,
yet.
gunpoint. No one's capped yet.
Following you. I'm missing everything.
Oh my god. Kill the medic while he's doing that to me.
Kill who?
The medic!
I don't wanna.
Where are you?
80 on med. One bow, and he's cooked.
It's 2 bows, but whatever.
Well, max ramp up. I'm up now, coming left side. Resup if you need. Ah, you're good. Ow! I'll just chud ass bomb, bro.
Just damage them while they're on the ground. You should, like rocket
No,
them
that's
a little bit.
toxic.
What do you mean toxic? We're playing
It's
a tournament.
BM.
You're playing a tournament. What do you mean BM? Do you damage them?
Sorry.
Huh? What are you, a Dead by Daylight player?
No.
Is camping also BM, or is it just strategically the correct strategy and survivors are mad?
It is a strategy. I mean, I don't have a getting tunnel is fun because you get to do the fun part of the game, which is getting chased. Doing gens isn't fun, so I never get why survivors complain about tunneling unless they're like bad.
100% agree.
But you don't even play survivor.
I know I don't, but like I played Beyond Kennedy
We
earlier.
traded. Their medic is life lethal HP. Proceed with caution. Nice shot.
Nice shot, man.
I'm coming.
I hit him again. One shot on the medic. He's dead. One shot on the medic. Yeah, thank you.
One shot. Reload. He's gonna bomb you. Watch out. He's bombing you. Oh, you
No
got shit
way.
on. Did you get air
I
shot
got
or was it
stuck in the wall.
splash?
I got stuck into the wall.
Okay. They don't know about this angle. Wait, they don't know? Oh my god, you died? Oh my god, I thought you lived.
Died immediately. No, I got nuked immediately out of spawn.
Fuck.
I was gonna say, why you keep going for like the crazy air shots?
I don't know how to use the shotgun. Living Dead Girl Dead by Daylight. I don't know how to use the shotgun. Sorry.
He's disconnected. 50 on mid. Oh my god, suck being air shot.
I really am needed.
Fuck, I was trying to movement diff him. God damn it. He's full health. He's behind the point. I'm coming up right side right now. He might bomb you. Watch out. 100. Noob down.
Nice, huh? Medic.
80 on our side. Well played.
I have with the saw, don't worry.
Maybe pick up his medical.
It doesn't have anything on it.
Oh my god, it doesn't have anything on it, bro. Oh my god. So we're throwing. Okay.
Oh, yeah, oh my goodness.
How'd I miss that? Here's the escape plan. Oh, I left him cap. I'm retarded.
Oh, you lost one cap because I'm not gonna say that.
Sorry. I'm just doing myself like a chud.
It's a lifeless chud.
Well,
He's gonna bomb me, probably. No, what is this, like, shut out fade? Okay, well, they're shopping point. Okay, that's fine.
Hey, medic once.
I'm gonna go for a play. I'm not blowing ammo, okay.
Okay, you're like letting them like bomb me when you go for the play, like.
Well, like, what am I supposed to do?
Counter him bombing me.
Fuck, he's so low. 26.
Hit him.
Nice. I mean, well, like, if I trade the medics, it's like a decent play, sorry, I'm coming up behind you.
Mama.
Mamma mia. Mamma mia. I'm going in. Why are they not capping? I'm getting fair shot. Hacker. I got shit on, it's okay.
You really gave him that.
He sure as hell felt that.
Let's go, my scarab. Scarab, move.
'90 on med. Oh my god. Don't let him do it!
Yep, keep doing that, Tim. I don't care if he like lives, like as long as the point is ours and he's not like having Uber.
Back up. We're like 50 ad?
Yeah,
I think we can get. I'm down.
I wouldn't play to get, but
He's
I think we
200, he's really low. Fuck. Okay, he's
again,
back
like
up.
remember, whenever you go deep in, he like bombs for me. Fair
Okay.
warning. That's like his strategy.
I'm kind of low on ammo.
Hang on, get like 250 and then go in. Never mind, just go in now. Oh my god,
Oh.
with my arrow.
Sorry, that was so bad.
I'm 99%. I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, you're not? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so fucking bad.
99, man. That's bad. Oh, whenever he dies. I get faster spawners.
He's 230. It's killable.
30.
40 health, 40 health.
I hit him for 39, dude.
No.
You see that? I actually hit him for 39. Okay.
It's nuclear.
It's Sitular.
I'm the Chinchilla Tiller.
Gotta bomb him right now.
No. I know
Okay.
wanna.
I like this spot. This is like a chill little spot right here.
Oh, what the fuck? My mouse just like had a moment.
I'm nuked. I am a baby seal. Where is Mama?
Oh my god.
If you are a baby seal, Mama is likely nearby, probably fishing or swimming.
Rest in peace, Seal. Can't believe they fucking murdered him in that accident in 1965.
His pronouns are they them. God.
Oh, yeah.
Dragon Ball Z. $50 on med. He's chopped.
Hi.
What is with Uber? They have like really low ammo.
No. Just stand point. You have to fight anything. Just stand point. What is stall?
I have one rocket. I'm gonna kill this med. I'm leaving you for a
Anything
sec.
coming through?
Nice. Okay. Sorry. I'm grabbing rockets. Oh my
He's gonna
god.
bomb for. No, he's not really.
No, he's probably dead. I'm so bad. I'm just a worthless disappointment, aren't
Yeah.
I? Aw.
Okay then. We can change that by winning this Ultiduo map.
Yay!
I'm grabbing ammo after.
Next official, you should name yourself a worthless disappointment when people ask you why your name is so. Oh my god, I had my fucking arrow out.
It's okay.
Next time, when people ask you why your name is that, you just say, yeah, my teammate calls me a worthless disappointment all the time, so I want to like honor it in my
Aw.
alias.
Wait, that's Aura.
That's Aura, I think. I just think I'm abusing you. I'm
Aw.
saying really toxic shit.
Cuteness overload. Eat the connected. 20 on med. Oh my god, I'm med like 1 health. On your life. Oh fuck, I'm so sorry.
I was about to die anyway.
Do they out? Do they
They probably are close. They're probably close. We should get there and force as soon as possible.
They died. I'm dropping away.
Fucking shotgun is so gay.
Guys, I use the shotgun because I'm just such a good boy, guys.
I'm coming left side. In 2 seconds.
Get there quickly, get there quickly. Yeah. That soldier should be not full HP, full buff. Yeah, he was not.
Sweet.
Oh, wait. Nice.
Ooh la la. Why you just equip the Uber Saw?
What?
Why you just equip it?
It'd be funnier if I do it this way.
That's true.
Bombing in
Aurora.
2 seconds. Oh, that was a bad bomb. Sorry.
What am I doing? Genuinely, what am I genuinely doing? Like, genuinely, what am I doing? We're gonna lose because of me.
It's possible.
I'm with you.
Okay. Kill medic. Like ASAP.
Dead.
I
I'm
don't think I
back
can do
up.
much.
Oh, fuck me. How did they get... I swear we had more cap
Oh my
time.
god, man! I was on the point.
No. I did not feel like they had more cap time than us. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why.
They were like really clear tied with us for like a while, and then we gave it up that last fight, and that was bad.
Sorry.
Okay, we have to win this fight because I don't want to play more. I need to go to bed.
I won't let you down.
I will not let you down.
80 on soldier. 60 on med. Med's so low.
You surfed, I couldn't hit him.
Going for med. Oh, he's really low, I swear.
Hello?
37. Fuck.
Ah, my arrow was so close.
I'm sorry.
Let me hurt. We're getting quickly. I want to contest. Oh my god, he's on me. I don't air shot him. Fuck him. Nice.
Alright, it's not that bad, but damn it.
It's like 45 ad.
Oh, 25 additional. I'm coming left side now.
It's on the point.
He's disconnected.
Find him.
I'm
He
so
has
bad.
any using.
I'm so bad, bro. I'm sorry for like moping. He's gonna go Obothal ball. Oh no way. There's absolutely
up.
zero way, bro.
He wants to live. He got a point for his life, which is a little bit smart. Shotgun him. Nice.
Fuck, dude.
Come. Oh, no, you're HP.
Like, what am I doing? It's like as soon as I jump, he just knows. He has Ola.
Okay. He has like 60%.
Fuck. Holy lag.
Walk forward. Get on that point. You're getting high ground a lot too.
Sorry.
Whatever, just walk forward. He's on me. Kill him.
Fuck.
That's why he's on me. Oh, you should kill bind.
Oh shit. I don't have a kill bind. I have to shoot myself.
Oh my god. What are they useful for? Ultiduo.
Sorry. What am I doing, bro? Sorry. I don't know why I'm like graping myself over this.
You should, the medic is like hit for like 100.
Alright.
Okay, walk forward.
There's tears in my eyes.
There should be.
I know. I am charged.
Wait, the joke is that blood is not actually charged.
16 soldier.
You should just shoot the medic when he's like ISO.
He's rolled. I'm backing up. I don't have enough. Oh, okay, nice.
Well played.
Did I kill?
Feels good to be a gangster.
I can't get that shotgun.
You
keep
keep soldier.
Wait,
Wait, there's some meat on the floor. I'm kind of hungry.
I'm kind of hungry.
I'm beefing everything.
Fine, we're just delaying. We don't have to do anything. We have Uber. Them to and the point too. We have everything we need. Anything? Over here. Kill medic. Kill medic. I don't care about the soldier. Kill
Med
medic.
solo.
Hello?
Like one shot, one arrow. Oh my god, I can't hit anything. What am I doing? Fuck. Nice. Oh, I thought you killed him. God damn it.
Wrong person. Looking at the soldier. Raise 300 HP.
Somebody on med. Oh, they use. Oh fuck, I'm
Okay,
trying.
I don't know why it's like so hard to say.
Is that me?
No, I get like I don't know. It's like unable to pierce him. He's also Ubered in that situation, so I'm gonna do
Sorry.
this that time.
Did they get a saw or anything, or?
No, they
Okay.
just shot me with a rocket. Hey, medic once. You could definitely kill medic. Oh, you didn't have to, nice. Okay, I got Uber saw again.
Just
I
actually
think it's way
overfighting.
funny. I think it's way funnier doing this than actually having Uber saw.
What if you use Vitasaw?
Oh, we could.
Is it? It might be banned. Not gonna lie.
It probably is. Everything's fucking banned in Ultiduo because they don't like fun.
Sorry. I don't know why I did that.
The noise or dying.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
$20 on med.
I 62 on medic.
100 on soldier.
Had him again. Medic is like 1 HP by the way. I killed him by the way.
Nice. Bombing for you.
Hi.
There.
I need
Feel
some
that?
ammunition.
Yeah, I felt that. Yeah.
Kind of low on ammo. $100 on soldier. Can we just delay a little bit? Okay, I'm going to. Whatever.
Yeah, you can delay a little bit. Like that. You can make sure they feel it though. You're gonna delay. Oh my
Going for
God.
med. 80 on med.
I can't see you.
Sorry.
It's fine. You can stand still by the way and I can bow you.
Oh,
I
the
can-
soldier's dead. I thought the soldier was alive. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's what I was like, how are you moving around like crazy? You literally killed that guy. Really put him in the grave.
This guy's a noob. Chill. Just chill vibes. Chill late night looping.
Get in. We have Uber. Up forward.
Easy.
This should be ours. It'll be ours. New York will be mine. Or Mina Hut says in Deadlock.
The hot vampire.
Yeah, the hot vampire.
Ooh la la.
New York will be mine. I can't do my impression of her voice without hearing her say it first.
Bro, fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh, sweetie.
Oh, that's not New York. Okay, never mind. Is she New Yorkian?
She's New York. She doesn't really have a heavy accent. You should jump away.
Hi.
And I should bow you if I like
Hi.
had any sort of like frontal lobe.
Hi.
Oh my. I'll walk forward
I
and
need
palm them.
I need to find some ammunition.
I need to find some ammunition. Medic's alone by the BT dubs.
Kill my scarab. Oh my god.
I was gonna do it right there and then.
GG.
GG.
For a second, I thought that was the first round one, and I thought I was just like DMing, but then GG.
Nah, it was the third round actually.